are back for day 2 of reInvent here in Las Vegas. It's a big day ahead. We have Adam's keynote this morning, and that means launches and announcements will be coming in hot too. Rudy, how are you feeling?
Look, I can't wait. I love to learn about all the new services and what our customers are building. I mean, it's a great time of year to be a student of all things related to the cloud. And reInvent is all about learning, from the basics of the cloud itself to sessions that go deep into cloud technologies. And this is why I love it.
So one of the big themes from yesterday's program was skills training, getting people ready for careers in the cloud. And there are a lot of careers and jobs to be had.
That is right. Just try and wrap your head around this. By 2025, 97 million new roles will emerge globally due to increasing digitization, according to the World Economic Forum. So if you're someone looking for a job or to switch careers, the cloud is the place to be.
So you've taught people all kinds of cloud skills and certifications, from the very basics to the more advanced. So tell me one thing, why should I, or anyone in the reInvent community, get AWS certified?
Because everything is moving to the cloud. It doesn't matter what industry. I've trained people in the grocery business, in the automotive world, and in healthcare. And there are so many opportunities in the cloud, you just need to start. In fact, we just opened Amazon's first dedicated in-person cloud learning space in Seattle, designed for anyone who is curious about cloud computing and career possibilities in the industry. I mean, look, I actually spent some time in the Skills Center. You can see myself there. It's got all these cool interactive exhibits on robotics, space, games, sports, and other real-world applications of cloud computing. And the best part is playing with all of that. And there are in-person classes for adults with little or no background in technology, and are also available for, get this, for free.
Can't be free. So the Skills Center and free cloud training are part of Amazon's commitment to train 29 million people for free by 2025 in technology, engineering, and mathematics. Your boss, Maureen Longergan, who is the VP of Training and Certification, spoke in her leadership session yesterday about what's coming in next for cloud training and how to make it accessible to everyone.
Amazon is committed to building cloud skills for the future. In 2020, we announced that we would train 29 million individuals on cloud computing skills for free. We're investing hundreds of millions of dollars to do this. We believe this is one of the most critical things we can do is onboard people that are interested in cloud, and I mean anybody, a barista, a gym trainer, whatever that might be. We want to, Skills Centers is really part of that learner acquisition.
Maureen also drove home in her talk why this kind of investment in employees is critical.
Investing may seem like a nice thing to do, but you can't afford not to do it. Employees stay where they can build interesting things and learn. 75% of learners said that they wanted more on-the-job training for AWS services to be more effective. They're also more likely to be satisfied with their employer and in their role.
Look, as someone in training and certification, I see what Maureen is talking about every day. And I'll go back to what I said earlier, whether here at reInvent or back on the job, everyone wants to keep learning and moving ahead.
Speaking of moving ahead, let's talk keynotes. Adam's keynote is coming up soon. While we're waiting, let's take a look at the top 10 keynote and launch moments.
Welcome to the 9th annual AWS reInvent and the first virtual one.
How can you run something that just works?
If you never want to be criticized, don't do anything new.
The global audience shifts to Jacasey.
Back and forth.
Andy, great working with you. Thank you so much.
Introducing Amazon SageMaker.
Amazon Aurora. And Aurora means a new dawn. You're going to need a bigger box.
Whew, those were some incredible moments. I'm looking forward to what we see this year. But today we have leadership sessions featuring storage with Mila and Thompson Bukovic, compute with Dave Brown, and then public sector with Max Peterson.
Then we'll dive into serverless and business applications.
And like you said at the top, big day.
Very big. Be sure to hydrate.
I will, and let's get this big day going.